Start up a Bible verse channel and earn loads of money. High paying niche. Just watch
Proverbs
this.
3-5, -6. Trust in God's guidance. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight.
So this niche is one of the highest paying niche right now on YouTube. And then again, it is easily monetized. And again, the engagement on this niche is massive. You get engagement fast, you get subscribers fast, and your page is blowing. And then the good thing about this, you can actually use these videos only for YouTube Shorts, okay? You can use them just for YouTube Shorts or YouTube long videos if you want to generate the longer ones, but you can do this with AI for free. Yes, you can actually start up a channel like this with AI for free. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI. So today I'll be teaching you how to work with this particular AI tool that will help you generate Bible lessons. It will help you generate Bible verses, text to video AI, okay? Bible lessons, text to video AI, which is actually easy for everybody to generate for free. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. But I'm telling you today that this is one of the highest paid in niche on YouTube. You can use these videos on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and earn money and be monetized from all the channels. Yes, I mean it. So let's go. Let me show you how to do that from scratch. So let's go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, give me 4 Bible. Give me 4 teaching and trending Bible verse, because we are not using too much, okay? Bible verses. Okay. With prompt for each. Okay, let's just they should give us the verses first, okay? Okay, you get them. You wait for them to pop up. Proverb this. Okay. Now you come to give me a motion prompt or a video prompt. Let's just say give me a video prompt for each verse, okay? For each verse, give me a video prompt. A video prompt for each verse. Okay. Okay, so here you have this, okay? Now I'll click on the first one. When I click on the first one, right? You click on the first one. How you do this? You take the picture, the prompt, you go straight to Julio AI. You all know we have our Julio AI. You click straight. You go to Minimax. You all go to your favorite AI tools. I always, like I say, I'll take you to where I know you can do it for free, okay? And I'll still do a version for people who want to pay, because a lot of people asking me to do the paid version also. So I'll come here. Instead of using image to video, I'll use text to video. When I click on text to video, I'll click and add my text. I'll add my text here, right? When you add your text here, what you do is they'll ask you to insert camera movement and all that, of course. Then you come up here. If you want to, you click on it. You put in camera movement. If there's anything you want to fix, you can actually fix it. Now you come here where you see models. If you click on models, you see director mode, and you see text to video, basic text to video. Okay, so I'll use the basic text to video. I'll not use the director mode, right? Now when you do this, you click on the 30. Don't forget to click on the 30. Okay, like your history and everything needs to be on 30. Okay, so we'll come back. Sorry guys, for those of you who are not used to Minimax, if it's your new time, if you're new on Minimax, okay, I'll go slow with you back. This is how Minimax pops up If you open the app, it's like this. So the app is called Minimax or Julio AI. Is the same app. Don't get confused if you see some different things on the screen. So it's either the Julio AI, as you see it up on the screen, or the Minimax. That's how it is called, okay? And if you open it, this is how it looks like. And then register on this app because it's easy to register on. Now you click on the plus button here. When you click on that plus button, you come here, you see that camera thing that I showed. Now here you paste your prompt, okay? Like here now, you'll not find any prompt. Let me delete the prompt and show you how it looks. Okay, sometimes I teach and I forget I have new people coming up every day. So yeah, my bad. So here, I'll just click again and paste my prompt. You see that? Now you go up, down here, and you choose your model. Like when you click here, you choose the text to video, basic text to video. Okay? Yeah, choose the basic text to video, that one. And then you come down here on the 30, you have 100 coins every day for free. And then you click on the 100 coins. Now you have video inquiry. Okay? Your video will generate in no time. So here, my name is Okobuchi, guys. I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI. If you've watched this video till this end, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget the next AI tool. Comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you. Maybe you've seen it somewhere and you want me to walk you through. Please just comment the tool in the comment section and ask me how to use this tool. And I'll do a video step by step to teach you how to use that particular tool. Okay? So, yeah. This is what we do to all our Bible verses, okay? It's actually easy. You can use it for your reels. You can use it for your YouTube shorts, okay? So if you actually want to use them for YouTube shorts, you can first off generate an image, then you take the image to video. I'll show you guys all that into this video. But let's just wait for this image to generate, this video to generate. So the video 30 minutes to generate. Now, to not take up your time, while this is generating, now you go back on ChatGPT. You have this, show a person struggling. You can just click on it. You take the prompt again. When you take the prompt, you go to Leonardo AI. You put in your prompt. I'll come to Leonardo AI. For those of you who are not registered on Leonardo AI, please, it's very easy to register. It's an app where you can actually generate your videos. You know, you click on it. When you click on that, and then you click on generate. Okay, it will give you an image. It will give you an image. Now I'll take this image and I'll take this image to turn it into a video. Okay, so this is a person trust in the Lord, and yeah, so this is somebody who is just meditating in their own way. So you can click this image and how they call it. You can click that image and save it, or you generate again. Show a person struggling with life decision, career. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Let's create something else. Okay. This one, I'll click on the video, the picture, and I just save it. So we'll go back to our app and see. Let's just wait. It's not done. It's not done yet. But I want you all to see the video generation. So okay, they gave us this, right? They gave us this. Let's play the video. So you can see how worried she looks. This is very, very worrying and all that. So all you need to do is you take this image. I'll click on it. I'll click on this image. On the bar here, sorry. On this bar here where you see like it's downloading, the downloading sign, you click on top. When you click on the downloading sign, you download it, okay? You save it to your files. Now when you save this to your file, you go back to ChatGPT, go and copy the verse. You copy the verse, that is the verse, okay? Proverb, let's start it from proverb, this, you copy. Now, when you copy the proverb, you go to CapCut, okay? Go to CapCut. When you go to CapCut, please, it's the free version you use, okay? When you click on CapCut, what you need to do is, instead of putting in a video, you can go to text. You click on text. You put in this verse that you just copied, okay? When you put in the verse that you just copy, you click on apply. When you click on apply, you wait. You can choose voice. Here they're asking you to choose voice. More voices. Choose whichever voice you want. Let's get
Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust.
okay. I think we'll do this one. Okay, let's do that one, and then you click on next. You click on next. Media from library, media from user device. So we'll take media from my device. Okay. For now, I'll just put in a random media because I'll change it later. Okay. Because I already have my image that I'll use. But for now, I'll just take a random media because I'll come back to it. So let's just look for a short. Let's look for a short video to use. Okay, let's just take this one. I'll choose that media, but I'll show you how to change the media to the one you just created with the app, okay? So, yeah. And they're telling you can replace this later. So, we are waiting for it to generate and give us what we want, okay? So, okay, now we have...
Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in God's guidance. Trust in the Lord with...
Okay, now I'll click on this media right here because I want to add in my own video, right? I'll click down here. I'll go back to my files, click and open your files because the video you downloaded, it's from your file. So this is the video I downloaded. I'll click here and save that video to my gallery. Now I'll come back to CapCut and click as if I want to add in a video, and I'll just take this video, this particular video, I'll add it in through. I click on duplicate, come here, click on duplicate and duplicate that video till the end of your sound, okay? So yeah, the medias that they gave, or the first media that I use, I'll just click on them and delete. Just click and delete. So you have your proper media, okay? Click and delete. I think I duplicated too much. Okay, I'll draw it to this. So now you have this.
Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in God's guidance. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways.
You see that? So this is actually how you can create Bible verse. Now you click here, you put it to 180. You put it to 180, click on export this video. Once you're done exporting this video, then you take it to your CapCut. You take it to your YouTube and you post this video on your YouTube. Okay? So yes, this is it, how you can create your Bible studies. You can actually take the video, the picture that we generated. If you want to turn it to a video, you want to turn it, just go to text to video. Okay? And let's go back to Julio AI. Like if you want to do text to video with the YouTube aspect ratio, as in the long videos, you can always type in your prompt and say the aspect ratio, like choose an aspect ratio of a longer video, okay? And you're good to go. So this is how easy it is. You can create your Bible studies, your Bible verses, and make them go viral. So you create one after the other, one after the other.